The Breeze Touch 39-inch weed puller is designed with a 34-inch handle that fits comfortably for most users, allowing for effective weed removal without back strain. Featuring an auto-rebounding ejector and textured shaft, this tool ensures a firm grip and easy weed disposal, while being constructed from durable metal for long-lasting use. Its extended prongs offer superior grip on weed roots, ensuring complete removal, and are made from corrosion-resistant metal, ensuring they remain strong without bending. This eco-friendly weeder eliminates the need to bend or kneel, protecting your waist and knees, and reduces the reliance on harmful herbicides, promoting a greener approach to gardening. The versatile design of this stand-up weeder allows it to work effectively on various plants and tough soil, making it a great tool for any gardener, including mothers and the elderly. Breeze Touch is committed to providing high-quality products and excellent customer service, ensuring each tool meets strict quality standards for a satisfying user experience.